Hey, thanks for watching my video. I have the hiccups, and I'm just waiting for it to come, and I don't want to talk when it comes because it sounds really weird. Maybe they're gone. I think they're gone. This is good. This is really... Dang it. This is good. Okay, so today is December 20th, and we have school today. We had school today. And I got the Never Say Never 3D movie premiere package from my friend for Christmas, and it comes with the Never Say Never bracelet and all this other cool stuff. And then so I went out to Target and got her, I can feel it coming, and got her these. They are so cute. I could just, oh. This says Team Bieber. This one says I Heart JB. Oh. This one says One Less Lonely Girl. And there's a green one, but I didn't get it. And that one says Justin Bieber on it. So first of all, happy holidays. In 3 days, it'll be a year since I posted my Hey Justin video, which has over 5,000 views, which is, oh my gosh, like, wow. My hands are red. My hands are always red. BT dubs. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, reindeer. Just wanted to say happy holidays to everyone and post this random video because my hiccups, when I get the hiccups, I don't just get them once during the day. Like if I get them at the beginning of the day, then I have them for the rest of the day, on and off. So hopefully they go away because I'm performing a monologue for my drama class tomorrow, and I don't want to be like, I hate being different. Every day trying to be normal. Every day I have to pretend to be someone I'm not just to make friends. What if I didn't? See what I mean? So this is very unattractive, obviously. I can see my shadow. What's up? Oh. Hold on. I have to do this. Woo! My first look broke my... Oh, that is gross. Oh my gosh, Christmas is in 5 days. I'm so excited, and hopefully I get a guitar, and I get other stuff. And I already know my sister is getting me the Bieber bears, because my mom told me. So I had to pretend. I was like, oh my gosh, I want them so bad. I hope Santa brings them to me. And she was just sitting in the back of the car like, so that was pretty cute. Oh, unlike my hiccups. Also, for those of you that watched me and my friend Kirsty's, oh my god, you can see it in my throat. It goes like, blah, 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 blah. My hands are really red, see what I mean? That video has like 400 views now. And I watch it almost every, well not every day, but I watched it again today. It's just so funny. Today in class, I tweeted her, and I said, in biology class with @K it's KP. And so she got a text message from Twitter saying that I tweeted her. And the teacher goes, Kirsty, are you texting? Even though it's a girl, so I don't even know why I just used that voice. Kirsty, are you texting? No. And I was laughing my buttocks off on the other side of the room. I was like, ha ha ha, I got you in trouble. And it was really funny, and she was just like, I hate you. But sisterly love to my girl KP. But I don't want to make this video really long, even though it already is. But actually, you know what, never mind. I was gonna sing something and then have a hiccup in it and see what it would sound like. Actually, you know what, let's do that. What song should I sing? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells. This is just great. This is so fantastic. So fantastic. And this is why I'm single. Anyways, have fun with that. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.